How to get length of a string in Python? To get the length of a given string in Python, you can use length built-in function. Length built-in function takes an iterable as argument and returns the number of items in that iterable. Since the string is an iterable of characters, if you pass the string as argument to the length built-in function returns the number of characters in that string. It returns an integer value. Let us see an example. Let us take a string value hello world. Now pass this string as argument to the length built-in function. Length built-in function returns an integer value representing the number of characters in the given string. You may print it to the output using a print statement. Now let us take another string value, say apple, and pass this as argument to the length built-in function. The length function returns the number of characters in the string, which is 5. It should return 5 as the length of the string and print it to the output. This is how we find the length of a string in Python using length built-in function. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our content, please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel.